Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well so far, and we really had wonderful week so far. So today we are going to analyze some stocks, and I will also be updating some stock, whatever the stock we are holding and what are the stock that we are going to exit soon. Alright, so before we begin, I would like you also subscribe, share and like so you don't miss any of our videos in near future. And let's begin with NVDA first, so that NVIDIA I think is a good stock, and uh, I think it's not the right time to enter into the NVIDIA if you're planning to buy for it. See, if as you all can see here, the NVIDIA is not really much efficient right now, because as you all can see here, from here to here, it has jumped to almost $200 up. Alright, so I am still expecting that it is going to I think it's gonna make a little bit correction before going up again. So I'm still expecting that Nvidia is going to make a good pullback from here to this, and then we can really expect the Nvidia to go up again. So I'm not really getting into this Nvidia as soon as possible right now, because I just wanted to confirm you also that you don't get into the Nvidia very it's too late to enter into the Nvidia right now. All right, so what I want is not to get into this Nvidia stock, but before we need to make assure of it, you need to wait for a pullback. All right, and right after the pullback we can really start going for a buy, which gives a great signal to go for a buy. All right, moving ahead, let's get back to the MU. All right, so here with the MU, if you all can see, it has been playing around at this zone. All right, this has been a 76 to $77. All right, so what I have told you all that whenever it touches this area, just go for a buy, and it's a good shot, making a small stop loss like $2 to $3 from 76. Suppose if you have bought for $76 right now. All right, if it MUS comes down to $74, then you can really exit. All right, just a $2 stop loss. All right, and then whenever it touches the 76 to $77 again, then you can surely enter, because even it's gonna go even if it was going for a dip, still it came back. That means a good rejection we have seen so far, so that we can really expect that the market is going for a buy again. All right, so as you all can see here, uh, in the last week, market came down to again $76, and then I told you all to go for a buy. All right, and it has been playing around again, so we can really expect that this market is going for a gain, come back here and again go for a good buy up to $86. All right, and I think this will be the last playing zone, so I'm still expecting that once it breaks this 86 to $87, then it will keep going for a $96. All right, so that's it for the MU right now, because I don't think it's not advisable to analyze a lot in here. MU is much more efficient in the $76. That's all right, moving ahead with AMD right now. With AMD, if you all can see, I have been showing you all that 96 to $97 is going to be our major exiting point. So I'm not really exiting it right now. All right, just making you all assure of it that I'm not going to exit for the AMD right now, because I have drawn this support line, and as you all can see, it has made a little bit pullback, and then I'm still expecting that it's going to go up. But if you all draw a little bit trend line here, then you can really see that this will be the best zone and area for a good buy. Alright, so this is for those who are not holding right now, I mean who hasn't got into the AMD stock, so they can still plan to enter in this area, $89 something, and then go for for $96. Alright, this is it for this AMD. Alright, so you don't have to wait for any further confirmation for the AMD, and AMD is just making a pullback, it's not gonna go for a dip. Alright, but now moving ahead with the Apple, as you all can see, I have I have drawn some I have made some analysis here. All right, now as you all can see in here with the Apple stock. So here if you all can see that it has really played well. All right, and I think it's the next resistance is going to be 150 or $151 would be this much. And also as you all can see here, the RSI level is at almost 80 level. All right, so I'm still expecting that is going to make a little bit pullback and then go up again. All right, so for coming up to 151 to 152 dollar. All right, just don't get impatient and then go for a buy that it has broken a lot of range and then it's gonna go for a buy, because it's not going to make like that. All right, so it will make a little bit pullback and then go for a buy. All right, now moving ahead with the SPY. So with the SPY, I have told you that this is going to play around up to the $440 as you all can see in here. Let's remove this analysis here and then we can really see. All right, so here if you all can see with the SPY here. All right, so with the SPY, I'm still expecting that it is going to go for a $440 very soon. So let's not plan to go for any kind of for a sell or something. Okay, so SPY is going for a $440 mark for sure. Now coming to the Dow Jones. All right, so I have marked a little analysis in here which is kind of showing the resistance here. If you all can see the resistance around, you can really see that the market is moving ahead a lot of from this place to this place. All right, so it's a good, I think it's playing with the resistance. So let's see today, I think today or tomorrow, and this week will be the we are going to get a shore of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, that what this is, I mean which direction it is going for. All right, now coming with the INTC is same, I have already given. Now coming up with the Microsoft. All right, so with the Microsoft, I was expecting you all to not to get into so early, and also I have been it's already made a good move from $240 to $282. That's a $42 move, right? But if you all can see here, all right, from this place to this place, all right, now this is the RSI level which is almost $80, and this is going to be 282. So I'm still expecting that market is going to consolidate here and then go for a little pullback and then go for a buy. All right, so with the Microsoft, this is what my analysis is. All right, now moving ahead with the SQ. So here the SQ, if you all can see, I think is kind of a bit it's gonna go down a little bit again because it is respecting resistance so far. All right, this has been a small resistance and it is really respecting. So what we can really see that as with the SQ, if suppose the market has broken this area, I mean the $252 move, then we can really expect that this is going to go for a $270. All right, this is my plan for SQ. But now if you all can see, we have been analyzing this on a 4-hour. But what if the market goes down, right? And what would be the major support area that we can really look for a down? All right, I mean what support area it breaks down, then we can really expect that this is going to go for a down. Now if you all can see here, so I think going SQ to the again $210 level, I still expect that this is the $236. I think it is going if it breaks down, then we can really expect that this is going to go for a $200 now. All right, so this is my plan for SQ. Now moving ahead with Tesla. All right, Tesla has been great. It's really played well. In our last video, I have told you all that whenever it touches this area, I mean this area. All right, you can really plan for a buy, and then you can really expect that the market is going, I mean Tesla is going for a good buy. But now if you all can see, if you have bought this at this level around $640 again, all right, then you would have been making up to $660. That is only $20 move. All right, and I'm still expecting that this is going to correct down this here and then go for a up. All right, but still if it play if it didn't go, if it if it doesn't go our way, then we can really expect that this is going to make a little pullback again and then goes up. All right, so all over, I mean in all way, I think Tesla is a good buy. Just I'm expecting that it might, I'm just afraid of that it doesn't play a little bit go dip around and then goes up. All right, so you can still hold whatever you have taken at $640, and I think this will be the day, I mean the today, I think we can really expect that Tesla is going for a confirm the direction. All right, so let's not get panicked today, and let's hope for the best for tomorrow and after tomorrow. I mean this week we are going to see Tesla which direction is going for. All right, now coming to the Twitter. Well, Twitter is it's on the resistance area from this area here. All right, so I'm expecting a little pullback and then goes up, but overall Twitter is a buy, not bearish. I'm not really bearish into this, so you can plan for a buy. We have, we also bought this on $60 and then exited at 67 to $68. So we can really expect that Twitter is going to make a little bit pullback and then goes up. All right, now coming to the Qualcomm. Now with this, I think I have made I have told this in last video that it is going to make a pullback and then you can really plan for a buy. So as you all can see, it has really played well here. All right, this used to be our buy zone, and then it went up to the $144. So this is something, it's a $8 move it has given already. I'm still expecting if it breaks here, then we can really go for a buy again up to $164. But let's see, let's wait for the market to show its real direction. All right, now coming to the Netflix. With the Netflix around, see, Netflix is a good buy. I'm not really exiting this my holdings. As you all can see, if you could see this area, then I think it's heading up to the resistance area. All right, so not now, I'm not really exiting right now. I'll be waiting. All right, I'll be waiting for its pullback, because after reaching the resistance zone, it's making a little bit pullback, as you all can see here. So I'm still expecting that this will even if it makes a little bit pullback to this area, all right, to this area and then goes up. All right, so this will be the further move that I'll be expecting from the Netflix. All right, so with the Netflix, I'm still expecting that this is going for a good buy, so a little bit pullback. If you're not holding, you can still get into the Netflix and then go for a buy. All right, at last I am coming to the General Motor. All right, I see GM. I'll analyze deeply into this stock, as you all can see here. All right, GM has moved really good from this area to this area. Okay, and it has always made a good pullback and then goes up. So it's like safe play all the time. All right, it has always been the safe play from my perspective, my views. All right, so I'm expecting with this that this is $44. So this is something that I am not really expecting GM to go for, but I will be expecting that this is holding up a good support here. All right, if you all can see, this has been holding a great support on this area, and from this here to here, it has rejected well so far. All right, so what is the next view from my side? The next view is from my side is that it might pull back a little bit again and then goes up, but still I'm expecting that we can really plan for a buy when it breaks this $59 again, or whenever it comes down to this and again go for this. All right, again make a good pullback to $59, then you can really plan for a buy up to $65. All right, this is my view on the General Motor. This is the last analysis that I'm going for. So as you all can see, we are going to have a wonderful week again, and I'm still expecting that some holding that I have given and I have been holding plays really well. Okay, so I hope this video I hope this video is going to help you in your trading journey, and this is going to make you plan your trade wisely. All right, so thank you for coming back.